I would like to invite the Industrial Supplies team to serenade us and sprinkle a little musical magic into the air. Please put your hands together as we begin with Rhythm and Soul and welcome our Industrial Supplies team.
I think the team is yet on the way. Maybe they're joining mid-song when we have our star singer singing. So over to you, Vicky.
Thank you.
To start this afternoon with the Diwali classic. Yes, that's musical chairs, but we have a bit of a twist. There will be no chairs, but there will be music. So can we please invite 10 people to please come forward? I'll be turning around, so I don't know who's wanting to do the action, but what is the topic there?
Spy mode.
Spy mode. Okay. Others can continue this clip. Thank you so much. So we have Asha ma'am. Ma'am, please. There you go. Give me the Monday.
Monday is a day when people have Monday blues, and how my colleagues telling, oh God, it's Monday and another 5 days to come to office. But then once you start, people are happy and then they work. But the starting trouble, especially getting up in the mornings, that is the main challenge for people. But I hope in Datco, it is not that way, like how it is for other companies. So here people are happy to come on Monday, I think so.
It's so clear.
Let me do that. Wish list.
Wish list.
Somebody after from sales, find a new product, I will take as a challenge. So it will become my wish list. I'm tired of doing the same, so somebody has to come forward, find a new product and give it to me, I try to my best.
Don't argue with each other gently. Okay, what do you want to talk about? So Vijiman's topic is overthinking, ma'am.
This is the correct word I want, because I have that habit of overthinking. I think everything, any people say anything, it will be like I will be thinking on that topic, and there is no conclusion on that. But I don't know. Many people may be having the same habit. That is the explanation I think for overthinking.
Please put your hands together for Mr. Numan.
Rumors.
Rumors. Okay.
So the topic is rumors. So I would encourage everybody to do rumors because it keeps you busy.
Sufyan, please turn around and stop the music. Turn around and stop the music, yeah? Okay.
Oh, very good. Love begins the day you're born. Your parents show you the love. They welcome you with love. Your friends welcome you with love. You fall in love with so many. From your school, your college, and at last, you fall in love with your wife. And again, your kids. Love is all over your life. Love is never ending.
Go throwing it gently.
Amrita, I'm a new joinee here. It's been 2 weeks only. My topic is gym. Actually, people should go to gym and take care of their health. It is a mandatory thing.
Bigger circle, please, ma'am.
Yes, I will take screenshot and send it to my friends and family.
And you also do statement of account.
Yeah, for proof, because people are asking, did you really allocate it or not? So I supposed to send the screenshot also. And I hope one day send screenshot also.
After all, a very happy Diwali. Topic is manager. I think the manager's role to make more leaders and upskill the talents around us. And to be very honest, I would say I have so many talents around me, so no need to manage us. Absolutely, I am taking all the instructions from her and I am doing the best for them. Thank you very much. The topic is very famous for Rangotan and gossip. What should I gossip here? Every day I am listening to different gossips about performance, about profits, about people, about places, about products. A lot of gossip. I heard a lot of gossip even today on what our future can be. But it was a little louder than murmur. So every day is a gossip-filled day in Rangotan. Thank you. Happy Diwali.
Let's welcome them with a thunderous round of applause as they construct a performance that's sure to leave us all amazed.
Rules are very simple. Don't look back. Okay?
Okay. No turning around, please.
No turning around.
Cheating is not show that that's cheating, okay?
Let us ask, what the initial person has done.
What is this?
Can you guess the team? Can you say it again, Lee? What is it about spreadsheets?
They balance budgets, manage people, and keep the gears of PTBCL running smoothly. Can you guess
Any
which
guesses from the audience?
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome the fabulous accounts and HR admins team to the stage.
आज सभी पढ़त रे है खुशियों की बाती, मस्ती की रोशनी सबको लुभाती। खुशबू के दीप है खुशियों की बाती, मस्ती की रोशनी सबको लुभाती। अंदर ये लगता है जाती थारी गुलधाम की ये, देखो दीवानी आई दीवानी, देखो दीवानी आई दीवानी, गुलधाम की ये। तुम हाय गोरी हाय गोरी आज तो बता दे कनवारी, पीछे हरी नकली गली में तुम्हारे सजनी की खोजनी। कनवारी के पीछे वाली पतली गली में तुम्हारे सजनी की खोजनी। मलिए ते मुखड़े ते दिल ललचावे, लोग दा पे लश्कर जाने न जावे, देखे बिना देखे तेनू राह भी न जावे, रूप सलोना तेरा सोना जगदा। दुपट्टा तेरा दुपट्टा तेरा दुपट्टा तेरा नौ रंगदा, आएगी मेरा दिल मंगदा। दुपट्टा
Thank you so much.
माना हो तुम बेहद हंसी, ऐसे बुरे हम भी नहीं। माना हो तुम बेहद हंसी, ऐसे बुरे हम भी नहीं। डरते हो क्यों इकरार से माना हो बेहद हंसी ऐसे बुरे हम भी नहीं
Now it's time to announce the winners for all these competitions. We have done this completely transparently. Judges were invited from outside. Even here, all of you were judges for all these programs. So from this, on the dance program, construction projects in place. Excellent job. And the second place go to. You also did a good job, but I think it is fair enough that Admin and HR. A good job. Thank you for this. Now moving on to the decoration. Industrial projects have come up with 24 points. Institutional supplies have come up with 28 points. Construction project supplies 33 points. And both construction project supplies and logistics supply chain stores credit control. Just 1 point above. Both of them are at 34 points. And now you can guess the winner. So admin and accounts, just 1 point, 35 points have come up first on this. We have the winner, Vidya. You should please give a box of chocolates to Vidya. Please say. Sarangan.
Our net lieutenant Raymond.
Bobika Chandran. Russell, Darcy, and Arpita. So thank you. So let me invite all of you here. Inspiration for us to dress better. Come on. Let us give a big applause.